Oh, here comes the smoke. So, I'm hiking the rim, and because I have cacao back there, I can't go south of the rim, which stinks. But the part that I'm on right now is not really touristy. And it's like this. So, you know, or maybe, to be perfectly honest with you, it's like this. But it's better than this. So you can see day hikers along there. And this trail goes all the way out to the Colorado. Which is out there. So that's where I started today, over, I don't know where you can see that Peak Hotel. And then by the art gallery, which is that house on the cliff. I can't, hold on, let me take my glasses off. The house on the cliff is where, hold on, zoom. Hotel, house on a cliff. From there, all the way, you have switchback trails. And I don't know if everyone that's on this trail is prepared for what is to come. Because this trail, like I said, goes all the way down and out. So gorgeous. My goal is to get to the end of the rim trail today. Hopefully. Well, this trail just got aggressive. Jeeps. Whew. I'm puffing now. This is, oh. I find when I'm doing steep hill climbs, just look 3 or 4 feet in front of you, you get it over faster. You know what I hate more than uphill walking? Downhill walking. It's not good for your knees, man. I'm headed to there, and then I'm gonna take a break. You know what I just realized? Because I have been carrying Coco this whole time, I'm more like Chewbacca, and Coco's more like C-3PO. Which one are you? Which one are you? My forward progress has been hampered by no more pavement, but rocks, so it's going a lot slower, but it's a good thing I'm an all-terrain vehicle. So there's a hitch in my giddy up. So I've walked 4.1 miles so far, and it's, I think 3:45. Yeah, it's 3:45, and I have hold on, I just calculated it. Oh, I have 1.7, 0.8, and 1.1, so say 3.7 miles. I didn't bring food, and I'm running low on water, so it's better to hike smart than hike stupid. So I've made it to, I don't remember what it's called, but where we came from is way on the other side of that, and just walked all of this. That feels good. The next bit that goes out this way and then back is 1.7 and I think 1.1. Let's go look at the map. Which is right here. So I started over here and then walked all of this. This is where we're, so this next bit is 1.7 and this is a 1.1. With the sun this low, I won't be able to do the rest. I started too late. But I mean, good. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is a better representation. So right here is where I started, and then up to here. I've been sitting here at Monument Creek for I don't even know how long. I'll have to check the timestamps of the last video on this one, but no bus has come, and it's gotten hecka cold because the sun's almost setting. It's setting in like the next 20 minutes, and then the temperatures are just gonna plummet. If a bus doesn't come soon, I'm gonna have to hitchhike. Update, I hitchhike. Turns out the bus line doesn't go. The red line wasn't running. I sat there for an hour. No bus. So thank God there were like angels in an SUV. The blue line was not running. There were no buses. If ish could have happened, and thank God it didn't. A lady saw me waiting for the bus, and she was like, "Are you waiting for a ride?" And I go, "No, I'm waiting for the bus." And she goes, "The buses aren't running." And I was at that point about ready to cry, and then I go, "Uh-oh," and I go, "Oh, I didn't know." And she goes, "Did you hike all this way?" And I go, "Yeah." She goes, "Oh my God." And I was like, "Yeah." So I packed up my stuff And I mean, I had to hitch a ride, right? So I started walking away, and I get about 50 yards, I guess. And I guess she went and talked to like her husband and son, seeing how they would feel, if it would be okay if they gave me a ride. And she starts shouting, "Hey!" And at this point, I've already started throwing out my thumb to get a ride. No one was coming. No one was pulling over for this. And so she was like, "Do you want a ride? We can give you a ride. Where do you need to go?" And I go, "Just to the village." And they made room in the back of their car and drove me here. Almost cried tears of joy. I was so happy and thankful. So of course I was like, yes! Like, I don't know if I can tell you how bad that could be. It could be very bad. And then I got a ride in, and now I'm gonna get something to eat because I haven't eaten since breakfast. And I'm very thirsty. Yeah. I'm gonna splurge on some meat. I'm so hungry. Guys, I came back to my campsite and there was another person parked here. I had to give them the old heave-ho. I'm gonna take Coco for a walk. If anything cool happens, I'll bring you along, but I'll probably just try to watch a movie or play solitary and go to bed.